Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple watermark on a photograph and also do it using the Actions tool. We're first going to go to Window and Actions, and we're going to select New Action and call this Watermark. Once I hit the record button, Photoshop will now record each step that I do so that I can apply it to another photograph. The next thing I want to do is I want to decrease the image size here, so I'm going to open that up and go down to 1000 pixels. I will then hit Control+ to bring this back to 100%, so you see it's much better size to work with. Then I'm going to go to my text tool. I'm going to select a bold font like Impact. I'm going to make it a 100-point font, and I'm just going to click somewhere on the photograph to create my layer. I want you to type your actual name here. I'm typing the word your name because you are actually going to then apply these actions that we're creating to another photograph. I then want you to click on the Move tool, go down to your Effects button, and let's go to Drop Shadow. And we are going to make the distance 0, so it's completely behind the image here. We're going to make the size 15. We're also going to go down to Bevel and Emboss and just use the default settings that are there. Now you notice that this is not translucent at all, so we need to come over here and change our fill to 20%. We're going to change our opacity to 80. And one more item is actually doing a select and all so that we can center these items. And up here, if you are on the Move tool, you can see that you can justify things different ways. So we're going to align the vertical centers and then align this horizontally as well, so this sits really nicely just right in the center of the photograph. I'm going to hit select and deselect so that comes off there. Okay, and my actions are still playing over here on my record button. At this point, I'm going to hit stop, and notice that as I scroll up, it has everything that I did listed underneath Watermark. I now actually have a second image open, which you can open up your own image for this. And the second part of your tutorial is going to be rather simple. You click on that other photograph, you look for that watermark action, and again, if this were to go away, you simply go to Window and Actions again to bring it back, look for Watermark, and now you hit play. And it has played on this selection as I hit Control+ to bring this back in, and it's now done everything that we have asked it to do on another image without having to go all the way back through all of the steps. So again, please make sure you put a watermark on my picture and one of your own pictures for you to submit. Good luck!